Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to talk about eyelashes and brows, because as we age, unfortunately these seem to be like always going away, especially your brows. Now, I have been using this product for a while, and I want you to look at my lashes. Now, we are going to do an eye look, but I'm really going to focus on this product here. This is Borboleta. It is a lash serum. And what I do is every night before I go to bed, I take this, and it's a clear gel. And what you do is you take it and you go right along the lashes at the root on both sides. And then you come here and do all this. Now, what I can tell you so far for me is that this over here, I didn't have any hair. It started way back, like right here. All of this is new growth. Can you see it? And I've had new growth over here. So if you're struggling with this, I really highly recommend you try this product. The lash serum, what you do when you start, like, this is what you want to look at. Let me find a brush. Okay. So here I am. So here is where your brows should start. Come right up where your nose is, right here. The only thing that I have seen lately, though, with mine is the fact that some of them are gray, and that's okay because I'm getting some gray hair anyway. So when I look at these, get your magnification mirror and look, my hair is right to here right now, which is good because it didn't used to be there like that. And on this other side, it was my worst side. And when I look at this one on this side, it is all the way to here. I see new hair coming in, like right in here. Hallelujah. Yes. So what I want to show you is I'm going to do my foundation, but we're focusing strictly on these brows and the lashes, because I want you to see how long my lashes look when I get on my makeup. I mean, just wow. It is amazing. So come on. You got to learn how to do this. So I have applied my foundation, and I use Unique's. This is the color 2N, and I did use 3N also. They're just a shade off, but they are neutral colors. So I always start with 2N, and then I take the 3N and just kind of do the perimeter, so it gives me it kind of warms up my skin a little bit. But here we go. This is Unique's brow gel, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Now that I have some hairs here that I can work with, this is what I do. Don't be afraid of a magnification mirror, okay? And what I like to do is right here, this is where all the new hair is, right here. And so I take this, see how it's shaped? I take that little angled part right there, and I will just lightly blend these hairs upward so you can see them. Now, it doesn't stay like this, it has to dry. Okay, so now I've got to do this side, and my hairs are out to here now, so I can, some of them are white, but when you use this, guess what, that goes away. And I'm using the color medium in this. It comes in light, medium, and dark. And the medium is best for me. And what I would suggest, if you're going to use something like this, I would suggest that whatever your natural hair color is, that's what you want to, that's what you want to let, unless you color it, which I do color my hair, but my hair is naturally dark. So that's the reason I use this gel. There we go. Let it dry. Because if you go in right now and try to buff it out, you're not going to like it. It's not going to work as well. So, you know, just give it some time. And then we're going to use RMS. So let me show you my RMS. Oh, I need to find the thing to put this back in. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Ta-da! And then we're going to use brown mascara. Brown mascara's back in now, so that's really going to make my lashes pop. But one thing you do want to do, I haven't done my eyeshadow yet. I am going to do that real quick. And I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes because they have gotten super long. It's amazing. Wow. I mean, seriously amazing. And when you put the mascara on, I'm telling you, this product has changed my game in my brows and my lashes. Okay, let's do our brows first. Brows frame your face, okay? I mean, just, you need to make sure your brows are on point. And so this Borboleta will help you get that back. Because mine was definitely going away, and I was just like, what the heck? If it works on the lashes, surely it's got to work on those hairs up here too. And it did. So let me show you something really quickly. Now, when you get RMS's kit, it's, you know, you get, this is a little bitty sharpener and a brush, and you get whatever color that you choose. Now, I like the color medium, but let me show you. This is the color medium, and yeah, I've been using it quite a bit. But let me show you on the dark one. I got a dark one. I want you to see just how much product you get. Look at that. That's a lot. So really, really like it. It does have a spoolie on the end so that you can brush through it. So I'm going to just take, I could use the brush on this one, but you know, sometimes I like to use this. And if you don't want to use, you know, this right here, sometimes I think you can come in with just the powder. This does have a powder that goes with it, and I was sitting here looking for it. And it's going to be whatever color you choose. But it is a powder. It's a little square. I'll find it, and I'll show it to you before the end. Oh, here it is. Hang on. I think this is it. Yay! Look what I found. See, it does come with a little powder. So, if you want to, and you've done this already with the brow gel, you could just use the powder. I would use this end, dip it down in it, and just go across it. And then boom, you're out the door. So you have options with the kit. I'm going to use the medium, this one here. See how tiny it is? But this is what I love to do. Now, I'm going to have to move this over and turn my mirror so that I can see it. I'm blind, you know. As you age, it just happens, I think. But you can see now that you can see the hairs that have grown there. So what I'm going to do, let's do it. I don't know if I can do it in here or not. Let's do this. What I love to do is just draw a line to my arch right there. And then just kind of flick it outward. This is a great, great product. I've been using it, I don't know, a couple of years now. It is mine to go to. I really do enjoy using it. And just go across, just like that. And then right here, where you already put that brow gel now, remember, we put that brow gel there. So it really has something to kind of grab onto and just flick it upward. And then we're going to use the spoolie to kind of blend it out. So let's do this side too. Now you can, you know, play around with it and see what best you like to do as far as, you know, application of this. Stays all day. It really does. It's one of the best products for brows I've ever used. And they don't know me from Adam's apple. You know what I'm saying? They don't. They don't. And so I just kind of keep it because I love it. Now, let's take the spoolie part. Spoolie. And comb through it. And I usually will comb through and push it upward and outward. Just like that. And then on this side, this is my hard side now. This is the side that had no hair. I had no hair. It started way back here. So now I've got the hair by using the Borboleta. And I was just so shocked, you know, because I was skeptical. I didn't know if it was going to work or not. But, you know, it did. And I was just shocked. And yeah, you might get some grays, but gray's better than nothing because you can actually put the color on top of the gray. And you'll never know you got gray. So the best thing to do is comb it upward. And then I kind of like to smooth it down just a little. Comb it up. Gosh, my brows have got so long. My lashes have too, though. I have little stubby lashes. So, there we go. Really, really like it. Now, you can come back over it with the brow gel if you want to. I don't usually do that. Now, one thing I do love to do is take a little highlighter. This is NYX little pencil. And I do love to kind of go right underneath it just to give it some brightness. And I've had this forever. I think it has a new packaging, so I really do need to go get another one. But this kind of helps brighten it up. Use your finger to kind of blend it. And boom, there you go. So, what we've done is we've taken this. We've gone right here where it needs to be. Right here where it needs to be. Isn't that cool? I know I'm crazy. Now, let's do the mascara. Now, you can use whatever mascara you want. My lashes have gotten so long, but this is back. Brown mascara is back. So, let me do one side for you. And I love this wand. Really nice wand. Very easy to use. So, which one is easier for you to see? Probably this one. But you can look at my lashes and tell they have gotten really long. I had stubby lashes. And I was like, I got to do something with this. And then when Unique, because we have other brands now, not just Unique. And this Borboleta is one of them. And I thought, you know what? I'm getting that. I want to make sure that it works. Now, Borboleta does have like a brow serum too, but it works pretty good just with this. I mean, mine have really filled in. I just love it. So I'm going to do one side here so that you can see how long these get now. And don't forget to flip this outward. Look how long that's got. Wow. Y'all will love this. And I try to use it every night or maybe every other night because I want it to be consistent and I want my lashes to be as long as they can be. And yes, I'm going over my nose. I know I shouldn't. But I want you to see how long these get. Look at that. It's amazing. I love it. Love it. Now, it's not instant, but you will see results as long as you use it. And I use it every day. Just to make sure that my lashes are in good shape. And mine, let me just say this, mine have never been this long. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? And look at this side. Brown mascara's back in. Right now it is. It's come back, and this one is really nice. I love the wand on it. The wand is what really makes it work. So, what do you think? Can you see the difference? Wow. And here we are, a finished look. Look at these eyes, look at these lashes, and my brows. Oh, I just love it, love it, love it. I think you will too. Warbaletta, it's going to be your best friend. I guarantee it. And you will see results very quickly. And just keep it up. Keep going, you know. You don't have to do it every day. I started doing it every day just because I was ready to get some brows back and my lashes. So, look at my lashes. Yes. So I hope you give this a try. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come hang out with me, girlfriends. And if there's something you need for me to touch on, please put it in the comments and let me know what you think about this. I'm obsessed, honestly. I am. And I'm happy. I'm happy that I've done it. So I will see y'all next week. I hope you have a fabulous day and week ahead. See you later.